In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a vehicle quickly using the one-click pairing in the TPMS Connect app by SAVR. So let's hit get started. You can see here we're presented with a whole range of different things that we can set up with. Airbags to motorbikes, trucks, but we're going to set up a vehicle to start with. Click continue. On this occasion, I'm going to use 4 wheels and no spare. You can see here we've got a range of different options. Today we're going to use the scan QR code, which comes on the card in your pack, this QR code here. We click scan QR code, continue, and just like that I scan the QR code and they're all set up. So you can see each of the sensors now are showing in the app. The next step is to simply screw the sensor onto the tyre, and you can see the app has now changed to show that that sensor is now reporting back to the app. Let's hit continue, go to the dashboard, and you can see the data is already presenting back to the app with the pressures, the temperatures, and the battery settings. Check out some of the other installation videos to see how versatile the TPMS Connect app by SAVR actually is.